directly go to this plot under yeah direct directly go to this plot under the view session. You will eventually get different colors also. If I click on this one, it will be changed corresponding to those colors. Along with, if you click on this one, we'll get changing those colors. If you click next button, if you click this more button, you will eventually end up with some of the different browsing themes and theme gallery. Customize your current theme also, even though. So basically, you have to play around with some of the techniques or some of the methodologies we are approaching in these classes. Then you can straightforward to apply those things in custom data sets what you had. So currently we are working with the orders data sets. Even though you can specifically mention with respect to the different data sets you're going to be showcased in the upcoming classes, then eventually you can try out with the other things, whatever the required things you want to be showcased. Yeah, you can see here the text color and the visualizations and also the page and filter plane. So in this way also you can fill out and you can click on apply. Then it's going to be applied with respect to your table. Yeah, similarly, the conditional formatting in the table also. You want to be specified any kind of the format, like just now we seen in the Excel sheets, right? So Excel sheets is very basically tells about the condition formatting, right? By using some of the different styles you're going to be specified. So in the Power BI also you can specify, go to into the filters, go to the filters, you will be going to see some of the different column headers and column icons, cell items. Okay, where we are going to be specify the different icons or you want to be showcased and the different number of the totals you want to be showcased. So it basically tells about what are the different values you're going to be fetching and also the style parentheses you want to be specified. So bold in nature or the minimal nature or the sparse nature, like that. So in general also you will get a lot of the options to do that. Properties, title, effects, you want to be showcase some of the effects and background images and tooltips, and properties is going to showcase some of the ratio like lock accept ratio, like that. Yeah, so changing aggregation, some of the cases what will happen, you need to change some of the aggregation results in the table itself. Let's take this is a subcategory with corresponding to average profit and also the maximum number of the sales along with the quantity and percentage of the profit you want to be specified. At the time subcategories, so we have subcategories in our table. Yeah, you can see here subcategories in our table. I'm just specifying with the column names along with average of the profit, along with the maximum number of the sales, quantity, and also the percentage of the profit. So with these values, I need to make with respect to all the subcategories. Then it's going to be eventually help us to understand which table is correspond. It's corresponding to the one. And also make some of the assumptions with respect to the total, right? So if I click on the filters also, I will go into see what are the different filters I'm going to apply for using this. And eventually what will happen with corresponding, you want to be change any filters, you can change corresponding to that. And the one more thing with respect to the other, you can say the other visualization thing is a matrix. So matrix is a subset of the table. You can create a matrix to visualize the things much better, and on top of that you can also make the good decisions to understand the things much better. So what exactly it does, so just this is a matrix button. Okay, so you can directly click and rearrange things much better. But what will happen if you click any kind of the matrix like this, it eventually tells about what exactly the basic difference is, what exactly the details with respect to the drill down mechanisms or granularity mechanisms with corresponding to the different KPIs you are working on, along with some subcategories and totals and total number of the sales you want to be showcased in the different regions. This is going to where comes into the picture with corresponding to the matrix.